Please change lane to the right. Oh, yan.
Lagi kong napupunta. Alala ko yun over the shoulder.
Okay, yun lang ang tinitingnan doon. Without over the shoulder paksak. Yan, kalaban natin yan. Automatic yan. Pag nag-green yan, gagalaw yung mga yan. Okay, so anong gagawin mo?
Wait.
Until naka-cross yung mga yan.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter kung binubusinahan ka sa likod mo. Sa...
Ah,
No! Meron!
ayaw niya.
No. Let's go. Hindi naman siya yung yung priority dyan, yung naglalakad doon.
Okay.
Let's go, make a right, please. Ayan. Wala. Pero pagdating sa exam, kailangan hintayin mo yan.
Ah, okay.
Right is to right, right is to
Ay!
right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's okay, it's
Okay,
okay.
right is to right.
What's up mga kachiki? Welcome back to Tiyuki TV. This is going to be our second drive test this 2023. Okay, it's raining. Can't do anything about it. You just have to simply go take the test. If you decide to take the test on the weather like this, definitely it's going to be difficult, but if you're prepared, then everything's gonna be alright. Never go to a drive test unprepared. You have to practice. You have to keep on practicing. In all kinds of weather. This is Tiyuki TV. Please join us. This is Jessica's Way. Let's go. Hindi ka pwedeng magdahan-dahan dyan kasi pag inabutan ka,
Aha.
may chance na ibabagsak ka na ng examiner.
Ayay.
Oh. Okay, look at your lane.
Aha. Wala ba ako sa lane?
Okay, it's okay. Let's go. At the stop sign, let's go make a left. Palaging dito ka sa word na stop, ihinto. Make a left. Ayan o. Okay, always look for your middle. Ang middle mo palagi may manhole. Ayan o, para hindi mo natatamaan yan kasi -1 yan.
Alin kuya?
Yung matamaan mo yung
Stop.
mga lines, narrow turn yun. Yun yung sinasabi mo kanina. Okay, let's go make a left please. Yan. This is with the turn signal. Okay, nice yan. Please pull into the curb. Okay, bilang 3 curb. Okay,
Okay,
1, 2, 3. So pumili ka dyan kung sino, ito or yun.
Mali ako,
Hindi ka
no?
pwede dito
Mali.
kasi driveway yan.
Dapat sa mga plant.
Sa curb lang, oo. O, tignan mo, you have to go straight lang. Keep going straight. Dito ka nakatingin, no? Kita mo yung itim? You have to go as close as you can pero not go over it. Yan, okay, let's go back up. Yan. You have to keep it straight lagi. Please back up. Tandaan mo, pag pinag-pull into the curb ka, hindi nila sasabihin na stop the car. Ang sasabihin lang nila, please pull into the curb. Ikaw ang pipili para makita nila kung tama yung parking mo.
Okay, nag-intay ako ng stop eh.
Pero pag nag-back up ka na, sila magsasabi ng stop.
Oh,
Okay, so yun ang difference niya.
okay.
Okay, let's go back up please. Okay, andito, papakita mo lang na minamanual mo yan. Kasi dito ka titingin to keep your distance from the curb. Titingin ka sa likod kasi nga you're looking, baka may naglalakad or baka may sasakyan. Please, just show me na you're looking. Yan o, i-correct mo yan. Ilalapit mo lang siya. Okay, ang correction niya, konti lang. Ganyan lang. Hanggang 1 o'clock lang.
Okay.
Tignan mo. Sige, keep it, tapos keep moving. Kasi yan, pupunta na yan dyan eh. Okay, just keep looking lang. Keep looking, keep moving. Tignan mo, bumalik na siya ulit. Igigitna mo na siya ulit. Yan. Kaya i-maintain mo lang yung distance mo from the curb. Okay, let's go back up. Hanggang sasabihin nila na stop the car.
Mabilis siya, diba ako mabilis?
Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, let's pull out of the curb, please. Ayan, mag-exam din siguro yan. Naghihintay sa atin eh. Okay, let's go straight, please. Ganda na!
Hindi na ako nagla-launch.
Details lang, details.
Alright, sige.
Okay, at the stop sign, let's go make a left, please. Tandaan mo, once you finish with your traffic check, go ka na.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, yun yung manhole mo. Yan, let's go make a left na. Okay, let's go make a left. Okay, saan ka hihinto? Go left dito. Let's go. Saan ka hihinto?
Sa gitna ba?
Dito. It's okay na dito. Yan. Kasi meron kang pedestrian. Yung
Okay,
anticipate.
dito ko nalilito, kuya.
Ganito yan. Pag may parating, diretso or kakanan sila, they go first. Kasi nga you're going left. Lahat ng left turn, mahuhuli. Lahat ng left turn, mahuhuli.
Hindi, nung nakaraan sa gitna tayo.
Yeah, pwede ka rin doon sa gitna. Doon sa manhole, pwede ka rin dyan.
Okay, sige.
Pero, as much as you can, okay ka na dito, safe ka na dito.
Okay.
Okay, once nasa curb na siya, then, dito ka iikot sa may manhole. Ayan manhole na, di ba? Yan. Diyan ka mag-turn. Yan, para hindi mo natatamaan itong line na yan. Okay, yan mamaya ipapolish na natin na yan.
Kuya.
Pag nag-left and right turn ka, palaging aim for the middle. Okay, let's go straight, please.
Okay lang ba yung braking ko?
Yeah, okay lang yung braking mo. Pakita mo lang sa akin na nag-traffic check ka. That's enough. Let's go straight. Okay, pero buka, exaggerate. Kailangan, alam mo yung buhok mo, kailangan lumulugay ng ganyan yan. Para, yung alam mo yung mas mabilis na galaw, mas makikita nila yan. Kasi peripheral lang yung tumitingin sa'yo.
Okay.
Ayun, let's go straight. Ganun ang exam. Medyo may konting drama ang exam. Tandaan mo yan, you don't have a stop sign. Pero pag binuli ka, let's say kinuha nila yan, be safe. Stop ka before the intersection. For example, yan dito ka mag-stop. And never sa intersection, never here. Kaya kanina doon, hindi tayo nag-stop sa intersection. Doon lang tayo sa my end of the curve. Let's go make a right turn. Okay, pag may may naglalakad, anong gagawin?
Stop.
Stop lang, palampasin mo sila all the way yan. Ayun. Keep looking lang, keep looking. You're always aiming for the yellow line. Always aiming to go closer to your yellow line kasi yung right side mo will always be bike lane.
Okay.
Yan ang perfect position mo sa daan. Kasi pag nasa gitna ka, pwede sila magbukas ng pinto, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go straight. Pag ganyan, you make a full stop lang. Hindi nila pakikialaman yung driving mo. Okay, we go straight, please.
Ay, sorry.
It's okay. Okay, we go straight, please. Okay, tandaan mo, ano lang to, awareness. Okay, so before you go, palaging ganyan lang yan. Titignan mo lang yung mga tao. Kasi ayaw mong technical, di ba? Ayaw mong bigla silang tumakbo habang nag-go ka. Yari tayo.
Oh my God.
Yun talagang malas. Biglang may tumakbo sa harapan.
Oh my God.
Biglang may ninja. Yari.
Parang yun yung nangyari sa akin nung bumagsak ako. Biglang may nagbago ng isip na driver.
Yeah, yun ang problema. biker. Pag may biker ka sa harap,
Mhm.
follow it as if it's a car lang.
Oh,
Never
okay.
overtake. Never overtake. Pwede sila sa harap, pwede sila sa gilid.
Okay.
Kasi ito shared lane ito.
Oh my goodness.
Hindi mo sila pwedeng i-overtake. Pero pag may sarili silang bahay,
Mhm.
pwede mo silang i-overtake.
Ah,
Okay, pag may tumatawid sa kahinto,
sa dito.
Shark
Sa-
Stick.
Okay.
Okay, change lane to the right.
Ay.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yan, tingnan mo yan, oh. Pag
Oh
ganyan,
my
full stop
goodness.
ka lang. Kasi lahat yan fault mo.
Aha, yeah.
Tingnan mo, meron na ang pedestrian kung
Yeah.
saan pa naglalakad. Make a right, please. Okay, always aim for the middle.
Middle,
Always stay
okay.
towards the middle. Yan.
Alright.
Okay. Ang highlight dito sa route na to, itong traffic light na yan.
Okay.
Again, pag may tumatawid, magre-red light yan.
Aha.
So you have to full stop doon sa line.
Ah.
Pag nag-blinking red, ano ibig sabihin?
Parang traffic.
One stop.
Okay, one stop.
One at a time yon, one at a time.
Aha.
Pag nawala na siya, pwede ka na mag-go anytime.
Okay.
Change lane to the right, please. Yan, tingin lang dito ng tingin dyan. Yan. Okay. So ano ang gagawin mo pagdating mo dito? Turn off the turn signal. Yan. Maminusan ka nila. May additional command na naman yan. Kasi ang command nila sa exchange lane, di ba?
Aha.
Oh, tapos na yon. Therefore, you have to cancel din yan. Or else, baka akalain nila mag-right turn din.
Okay.
Tulak kita. Sige. One, two, yeah.
Sino binti?
Okay, so dito, we go straight. Tandaan mo, pag may tumatawid doon, stop before the line lang. Huwag kang magpapanik. Stop before the line. Let them pass hanggang sa curve. Pag may nagbubusina sa likod mo, huwag kang magpapa-apekto sa kanila. Kasi once na nagpa-apekto ka and then you decide to move, ay yung examiner mo, naghihintay lang yun, ay babagsak ka. Let's go straight, please. Okay, let's go make a right turn here. Yan, hinihintay lang nila magto-turn signal ka. Let's go straight, please. Pag may pedestrian, you make a full stop lang. Okay, pag may tumatawid ulit, there's your shark stick.
Okay.
Let's go straight.
Yung pala yung sharks. Sharks.
Oo. Ano yon? Parang stopping line lang yon. Okay, we go straight, please. We go straight.
Straight?
Oh, ito ang straight. Yan. Oo. Minsan, hindi na nila sasabihin sa'yo kung ano kasi hindi na lesson yon. Exam na yon.
Okay.
So, pag sinabi nilang straight,
Mhm.
nakikita mo yung mga arrows mo. Ayan ang mga arrows.
Oh.
Yan.
Kasi parang yun yung line.
Correct. Tapos makikita mo yan na mawawala ka.
Yeah.
Wrong use of lane yun.
Oh my
Bigla kang
goodness. Ano yun?
wrong
Bagsak?
way.
Oh,
Bagsak
minus.
na yun. Bagsak.
Ah!
Kasi nawala ka na sa route eh.
Oh
ano yung speed
my
limit mo dito?
30?
30, yes. Okay, at the stoplight, let's go make a right turn. We're almost done.
Yan, kagarin
Okay, let's go make a right turn. Always go 10 miles per hour. Yan. Still green. Keep moving.
I have to stop.
Yan. Oh.
Ay, puwet!
It's
Ah!
alright.
What happened? Bakit?
Oh, it's alright. Change lane to the left.
Oh my goodness.
No, it's okay. Okay na yan. Lumabas na sila ngayon lahat. Change lane to the left. Okay na yan. Lumabas na
Oh,
lahat yan
yeah.
ngayon. Oh, oversteering ang tawag doon. That's bagsak. Hindi lang yan. Alam mo kung bakit? That's the purpose of the practice before the exam.
Yeah.
Para lahat ng cobwebs mo, lahat ng mga ano natin,
Bakit ko pa yun? Siguro dahil pinabago ko na nakatingin
nag-ano
pa
ka,
ako.
nakatingin ka sa left, nag-concentrate ka sa left.
Tapos,
Ano yung gagawin mo? Keep looking lang ganun. Then you always aim for the middle, yung middle line. Yung lagi yung dinidiktikan mo. Anong nangyari doon? Oversteering ka. Pagkaliko mo, sobra yung steer mo. Saka safe ka doon kasi sa green line. Kaya nga ang exam, you only go on green. Green tayo. Second lane.
Second line.
Oo, doon sa kabila.
Lagi yun po yan.
Yes. Lagi yan. Kasi pag nag first lane ka, magsi-change lane ka rin eh. Tignan mo kasi that's a left turn. Only.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, ito right turn yan. You're going back to DMV na. Ayan o. Ayan. Then dito ka. Kasi dito, in and out yan.
Oh, yeah.
Bagsak kasi solid line. Hindi ka na
Yeah.
pwede. Okay, change lane to the left. O, sino mauuna?
Sila.
Alright. Pag nandito ka, make sure diretso ang kotse mo, diretso ang manibela mo. Okay? Tapos dito hindi exit ito. Hindi exit yan, entrance lang yan.
Okay.
So pag may lumabas dyan
Aha.
at papasok ka na,
Aha.
make sure na paunahin mo na lang sila kasi
Okay.
ibabagsak ka pa rin nila. Hi!
Oh man!
Alright,
Heavy rain!
congrats!
I know! Not yet.
Alright, so
So,
good luck.
thank you, Kuya.
Kayang-kaya. Stop, complete stop, traffic check. Ayan, kasi minus yung mga yan. Okay, ganito ang full stop. 1, 2, 3. Wala talaga. Kasi this time, syempre umuulan yan. Medyo poor visibility tayo. You just have to make sure na exaggerate mo na lahat yan.
Tsaka Kuya, kasi yung pulling into the world.
Okay, ano pa yung isa mong dapat na hindi makalimutan?
Yung
Is
over the shoulder.
over the shoulder. Changing lanes, pulling into the curb, pulling out. May over the shoulder lagi yan. You deserve it. Hey, congratulations. Oh, settle down. Let's go get your license. Let's go. Congratulations. Woohoo! Congratulations.
Thank you.